Good morning. So we are working on today similar right triangles. So our central question is how do you know when the right triangles are similar? So that means remember that the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional. Okay, so we look at triangle rock. Okay, is the altitude to the hypotenuse. Okay, so which means everybody that it's perpendicular. Okay, to the side. Okay, to the side RC. So it's perpendicular to the side. Okay, so what we have right now, so everybody, so if you look, so this is actually 1, 2, and then one large right triangle. Okay, so we have that over here, so we're going to label it. So we have triangle, the large right triangle, so ROC, and then we have our other one, so which is OKC. Okay, and then we also have our smallest one, okay, which we have is, so that one is R, K, and L. Okay, and also notice everybody, I noticed that because the right angle is right there. Okay, so that right angle is right there. Okay, and we're diagonally across to the hypotenuse. So for all of these, they're right triangles. Diagonally across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we got that. Okay, it says label the vertices of the similar triangles. Okay, it says, so we did that. Okay, so it says if RO, okay, so everybody, so RO is 15, that's here, right here. Okay, then, and CR, okay, is 25, so everybody, CR is this whole length right here. So that length is 25. Okay, find RK. So they want to know this one. That's the one they want to know. So that means I'm going to be using, because this is for the small triangle, the small right triangle and the large right triangle. So we're going to use those, everybody. So we're going to put those over here. So RC, we said was 25. RO is 15. RK is our X. RO is 15. Okay. So we're going to have the short side. So everybody can set up a couple different ways. So we can do, so hypotenuse. Okay. So hypotenuse over short. Okay. We're going to do that for both of them. Let's switch to a different color so you can see a little bit better. So 25, so hypotenuse over short is equal to hypotenuse over short. Okay, of course, we're going to cross multiply and divide. So we're going to get 25x, 15 times 15 is 225. Divide by 25, and we get x is equal to 9. Okay. So for that one. Okay, so for this one, we have that it says if KC, so KC is right here, is 12. And RK, okay, RK is 5. So RK is 5. Okay, so we're doing these ones right here. RK is 5. Oh, and then just let's label that one away. I hope I label it correctly. So that's actually K. This is R up here. Okay. So actually So that one, so KRC, yeah, no, that's better enough, sorry. Okay, so as you can tell, these everybody just careful when you look at them. So that says find OK. So we want to find OK. And they give us that side is 12. Okay, so we're going to set this up. So we're going to put short over long. So the short leg over the long leg. Okay, so I'm going to put x over 12 is equal to 5 over x. We're going to cross multiply and divide. Remember, everybody, that x times x. Remember, x is to the first power. We're going to add those exponents. We're going to get x squared. Okay, so we have that the x squared is equal to 60. I'm going to take the square root of each side. Okay, square root of x is equal to, okay, so you can do 60 is 4 times 15. Square root of 4 is 2 15ths. Or we can use our calculator and round to the hundredths, and it would be approximately 7 and 75 hundredths. Okay. Okay, this one. So let's do another one. Okay, so this one we have MAT. Triangle MAT. HA is the altitude to the hypotenuse. It says label the vertices of the 3 triangles. So this one is MAT. Large one. Okay. And then this one is A H T. I'm taking my answer on this one. And then M H A. Okay, for the small one. Okay, so I'm looking where the right angle is. Okay, so this one says if AT, okay, so everybody, so if it says if AT is 20, okay, so AT is 20, and TM is 25, find TH, okay? So AT is 20, okay, so that means that's 20 for both of these. Okay, so it's also 20 here. Okay, so we want to find it. So it's going to be 20 over 25. So longer leg over the hypotenuse is equal to longer leg over the hypotenuse. Cross multiply and divide. So again, everybody with that one, I set it up as longer leg over the hypotenuse. Okay, we're going to cross multiply and divide. And we get 16. Okay, so this one, everybody. So we're going to do, so it says for HM. Okay, so I'm going to use, I'm actually use black. So HM is 3. Okay, HM is 3. And TH is 12. Okay, so they're putting 12 right here. Okay. It says find AH. So they want us to find AH. Okay. So we're going to have short leg. So short of the medium one over short of the small. So this is one way to do it, everybody. And then longer medium. Okay, we're just going to do short leg. Short over medium. Okay, so we're going to do short over medium. So x over 12 is equal to 3 over x. Cross multiply and divide. Remember, x squared times x squared. X times x is x squared. 3 times 12 is 36. We're going to take the square root to get the square root of the problem. Square root of 36 is going to be 6. Okay, let's look at this one, everybody, when they give us the variables. Okay, so for this, I just want to let you know, look, one thing we can see is that the length of this side is going to be 14, because 4 plus 10 equals 14. Okay, so let's find each variable. Okay, so this is our small one right here. Okay, do you all see that? So this is our small one. Okay, and then we also have our large rectangle. Our large one is this one. Okay, so we are going to use, so if I draw the long one, big one over here, everybody not to scale, so x over 14. Okay, and then we draw our small one. Okay, and I'm going to rotate it. So we have x. Okay, over x. Okay, so that's our small one. Okay, so we're going to set it up. So it's going to be 14 over x, so hypotenuse over short. So it's the short leg is equal to hypotenuse over short. So hypotenuse, everybody remember hypotenuse is diagonally across from the right angle over short. Cross, multiply, and divide, we get the square root. 6 squared, we get 14 times 4 is 56. Take the square root of each side. And we get x is equal to. So, so we can either do 4 times 14. Square root of 4 is 2. Or we can do where x is equal to 4.48. Okay, and everybody, that would be in that one. Okay, so let's do the same thing with this one, everybody. Notice I am getting color. You want to use color to help you figure out which one we're talking about. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, and then we also have our other one, the one inside. Okay, so this one. So we're going to have, so we're going to put 3 over y. Okay, so longer leg over shorter leg. So long over the short leg is equal to y. You'll see y right there over 1. Okay, we get y squared is equal to 3. Take the square root. Gotta get the root of the problem. Go flag. Take the square root. And we get y is equal to approximately 1 and 73/100. Okay. Okay, everybody, you got this.